Welcome to Getting Rich with Rich. I'm Rich, founder of Under the Radar Report. Today, I want to talk a bit about the market. You can't go past the market trading at record levels. Then about my favorite subject, small caps. But first, some breaking news. In the past couple of weeks, we've been talking about how we're buyers of nuclear and uranium stocks. Well, they're running hard. Yesterday, Paladin climbed 11%, Silex Systems up 13% or 14%, Lotus Resources up 13%. What's going on? Well, it appears there's more evidence that big technology, big tech, are making deals to obtain baseload power in the form of nuclear energy. That's right. This week, Google made a deal with Kairos Power, a developer of small modular reactors. In the same period, Amazon's funding development of small modular reactors, having made a deal to obtain nuclear power like earlier in the year. And of course, there was the Microsoft deal to obtain baseload power in the form of nuclear. And this illustrates how there's only so many ways you can get baseload power, and only one way you can get baseload power with zero emissions, and that's nuclear. Yesterday, another breaking news, Lake Energy, LKE, a lithium stock we cover, and we covered only recently, spiked 28% on no news. Well, it's all happening, but the bigger news, of course, is the market's trading at record levels. What does this mean? Well, as I always say, it means diversification, diversification, diversification is never more important. It's essential because the market is not even. Like, banks represent 30 to 40% of the domestic index. You would not put 30 to 40% of your wealth into one sector. That's just stupid. But there are always pockets of opportunity. So that's why small caps are essential. You cannot profit from investing in the stock market without including small caps. You cannot obtain the kind of profits that you can get from small caps anywhere else. They do not rely on the economy to grow. Often these companies are disruptors. So what I'm saying is that small caps can be really life-changing. So the other week, a member contacted us who had a life-changing result from his small caps. He bought Vulcan Energy, Kidman Resources on our recommendation. Kidman got taken over by Wesfarmers. Vulcan went up, and most importantly, he took profits. So consequently, he's able to retire because of these profits. So the good news is that he still owns some Vulcan. He's still hanging on. He can still profit some more. The big takeout is take your profits. These are boom bust stocks. The other is you've got to own some of these stocks in order to profit, but you want to keep your initial investment low. These are high risk. So that's why we have a risk rating on all the stocks we cover in small caps. So why can small caps change your life? Well, it can be summed up in two words: operating leverage. You've got more potential to grow profits at a compounding rate off a small equity base. It's simple maths. There are more reasons, which I'll go into in the future, but any of the stocks we cover are in this position, and that's why I love small caps.